I'm Art and I'm going to show you how to delete a post in a trip. There might be situations where you created the post but you didn't like it afterwards and you want to delete it. That's what I will show you now. Now you first go to your trip list. That is the first tab on the top bar. There we see our trip. We click the trip, we open it, we scroll down to the post that we want to delete. In the post you want to delete, you see 3 dots. You can press the 3 dots and you can press delete. It's asking for a confirmation because you cannot revert this back. So really think about it before you delete it, and we can press OK and it will disappear. Now the post has disappeared and it is gone away from the trip. If we go back to the trip list, we see in this case that the trip hasn't started yet because there is no recent post anymore. Now you can continue using Walkabout, go on a trip and have fun.